Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a sunny Benidorm. In today's video we're taking a look around the Benidorm Indoor Market and what you can get for €10. The Indoor Market is one of the most popular places in Benidorm to come for those holiday essentials, something to eat and souvenirs. And it's also home to the best value for money currency exchange in the resort. If you don't know where the Indoor Market is, we're at the start of Calle Girona. There's actually a couple of entrances to the market, but we're going to use the entrance on the corner opposite the Survey Group Hotel Nero. It's almost 10 AM, but the temperatures are approaching 18 to 20 degrees, so you will see holiday makers wearing their typical summer clothes. I did bump into a couple from Manchester who just arrived and said the weather in Manchester at the minute was -5 where they came from. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I want to know what the temperatures have been like where you are.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair, what can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer, I got forever, yeah. I need you to stay.
Let's head in and take a look. So the Christmas decorations were still up when we visited. There is a sign on the entrance saying unfortunately you can't bring mobility scooters into the market hall, but the market is very accessible for wheelchair users. The lanes are quite small, so it can get quite tight for space. It's about 10 AM in the morning and on a Thursday, and as you can see it is quite busy in the market this morning. As you come in the main entrance, there's a butcher's and a couple of stalls selling ladies' fashions. If you've forgotten your underwear, you can buy some here. You might even be looking for a new bag. Chanel, Marc Jacobs, obviously very real. Looking at the prices, you're going to be paying between 17 and €22, depending on the design. So there's plenty of food options here as well. I could get a portion of paella for €7 or a Spanish tortilla for €2. And I did see someone ordering the paella and the portion was huge, so well worth the money. There's a souvenir shop right here. You can get a Benidorm fridge magnet, lots of different types of sunglasses, watches and decorative ornaments if you want to buy them to remind you of your time in Benidorm.
Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti dulzura. Que pa' eso tú y yo solo cuéntatelo. Y si tú quieres te pone a buscar. Es como tú lo mueves, rapa, pam, pam. Haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta no pasa nada.
You've got a craft and jewellery stall here as well. Most things being priced at €3 to €5, so definitely some bargains to be had there. Bar Melina, you can get a traditional menu del dia which includes a starter, main and a bread and drink for €12.50. I said in this video's intro that the Indoor Market was home to the best value for money currency exchange in Benidorm. At £1, £1 will get you €1.17, but there's a better rate to be had. Keep watching as we go around the lanes. If you've just found the channel, I'm Walk with Neve and I share new walking tours, travel vlogs and hotel reviews from around Spain, Ireland and the UK. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell. That tells YouTube to push this video out to other people interested in visiting Benidorm and the Indoor Market. More stalls selling Benidorm souvenirs. And actually, the souvenirs you get in the Indoor Market are most likely a better quality than what you'd see in the Chinese bazaar shops in Benidorm. There's actually a couple of hairdressers and barbers here in the indoor market, so if you were too busy to get a trim before your holidays, you could come here and it's probably going to be cheaper than back home for a quick tidy up. If you want to embrace the Spanish culture, you can do a photo shoot experience for €5, which includes a costume and sangria. They'll probably upsell the cost of the picture, I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if that's something you've done while here in Benidorm. This almost looks like a traditional sweetie shop you'd get back home. No tempting mix-ups though, but you can buy jelly beans, fudge and boiled sweets, and also your Benidorm rock. So if you need to change your British money to euros while you're in Benidorm, this is probably the best place to get more for your pound. Sheila's and Tony's currency exchange always has the better rates, with no commission and one flat rate. There are some currency exchanges in Benidorm where you have to exchange £2,000 before you get the rate advertised. We have always used Tony's exchange, and as you can see, what you see is what you get. £1 gets you €1.18, whereas Europound was offering €1.17 for a pound. It's only a small difference, but every little helps. And it really does add up. Think of all the extra €1 you could buy at Uncle Ron's with the money you have saved. If you're coming to Benidorm and unsure of whether to bring pounds, euros, or if card is accepted, most bars and restaurants do accept credit and debit cards, but cash is most definitely king in Benidorm. Food prices here in Benidorm is usually quite cheap, but you can pick up some bargains at the butchers as well. Flynn's Irish streaky bacon, ready-made lasagna and a big pack of British bacon for €21. If you're a resident or going to be staying in Benidorm for an extended period of time, it's perfect for freezing and defrosting when you fancy a full English or a bacon sandwich with lots of brown sauce.
The start of the day, but a brighter afternoon in prospect for Thursday.
If you love the TV show Benidorm, you can get a Solana t-shirt printed here as well. And I've got to show you these. Christmas cards from Benidorm like you get back home. This here is a bakery and it's British as well. So if you fancy a wee treat from home, you can get it here and the cakes look amazing. We've got lots more exciting content coming up. So if you did enjoy this video, then be sure to drop a like down below, and if you have not already, consider hitting that subscribe button. I've had a few of you ask me how you can support the channel. I do have a memberships page on this YouTube channel. If you sign up, you can get exclusive content as well as early access to all the videos, and you get a cool wee badge next to your name, so when you comment, people will know you're a member. There's also a buy me a coffee link down in the description. I don't really talk about it too much, but if you wanted to buy me a coffee, that's there. But you don't have to. Just watching this is more than enough, and I appreciate all the support you give me. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.